Harare CCBD today, from early in the morning, there was no electricity. This caused widespread disruption, from a malfunctioning traffic lights to the paralysis of businesses that rely on power for daily operations. Darkness fueled shopping malls across the city. Sabena mashoko kuda pankwa inoi onokwa kunzi mu the Harare CBD pankwa inoi Harare YTSCc shut down ahead of the protest that was subscribed or like on the bed like TPinda. In an interview with an ice cream and ice cream business owner who spoke on condition of anonymity at one Harare well-known malls, she said the blackout could be linked to the protest planned for tomorrow, which aims to remove the incompetent Mr. Mnangagwa in his corrupt Gananda. The woman shared that she became an ice cream vendor after failing to secure formal employment. The pressure of unemployment, she said, pushed her to start a small business to fend for her family. Her story reflects the reality faced by many Zimbabweans, graduates and youths, hustling as if they never went to school. This, many argue, can be blamed on ZANU-PF's failure to create jobs for the country's young people, forcing nearly everyone into vending. Those operating in shopping malls are barely managing to break even, with the Harare City Council demanding exorbitant license fees and taxes. Struggling to pay rent and bills has become the daily life of the ordinary Zimbabwean. Mnangagwa's regime has been accused of deliberately cutting off electricity during crucial moments such as this. Sometimes, even the internet is shut down to prevent people from mobilizing. Toba developments aripo muri Zimbabwe. Mbudze mafunguro enyu motudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu za funguro enyu. So unsubscribe or like, check on the bell icon.